Now I'm not gonna lie. Seeing Winston-Salem and seeing Johnson C. Smith. Oh Lord, I'm trying to keep my dignity. I'm trying not to be an a-hole because I love supporting small HBCUs. I do. I do. But when it sounded hot, some of them sound like a hot mess. I can't do nothing but just sit back and just be like, you know what? Try again. You got it next time. But this is Elizabeth City. Now, Elizabeth City was really good back in the day, 2012, I'm thinking. But let's see what they got to offer today. Okay, all right. Oh, okay. How the heck? I don't understand, bro. It's the second time that I see somebody's helmet fall. They don't sound bad though. You really be honest with me. Oh, wait a minute. Okay. Don't fall now. Oh my God, that kick. And now we bring to you a selection from one of that. I'm sorry. Sorry. Out of direction. I'm sorry. My fault. What the? This is a quiet storm with Elizabeth City. Can we just take the time to say that Elizabeth City sound better than Johnson C. Smith and Winston-Salem State put together right now as a whole? It's not me being biased. You could say argue with your mama. They sound good. They sound good. Watch the phrasing, trumpets. Ooh. Oh my gosh. Hold on. Wait a minute. I hear you, trombones. I hear you. I hear you, bro. Woo! Them trombones sounding lovely, bro. You better sing it. You better sing it, y'all. I like that. You know what? Out of hearing all three of those bands so far, Elizabeth City sounded really good. Kudos to that band program. Kudos to all band programs. Now, Winston-Salem State, I'm sorry, bro. Don't go hard. Never mind.